1 out of every 5 workmen's compensation claims are due to slips, trips, or falls. 30% of these accidents result in 8 or more days of lost work, with an average claim cost of $32,000. Despite best efforts, the rate of these injuries continues to increase. Using a calculated balance of classroom and hands-on learning techniques, the Industrial Biodynamics Slip Simulator has been proven to increase awareness and decrease reaction time, resulting in up to 70% fewer slip, trip, and fall accidents among those exposed to the training. Industrial Biodynamics allows companies to benefit from proven training technology born from university research in human locomotion, balance, and reaction to slip and trip hazards. Over the course of 1.5 hours, certified instructors provide groups of 6 to 10 students with classroom awareness training and demonstrate proper techniques to improve stability, balance, and safety when faced with hazardous conditions. By navigating simulated hazards and performing routine work tasks in a safe, controlled environment, students experience and learn from mistakes, gain proficiency, and decrease their risk of slip, trip, and fall injury. The modular design of the training system allows the safety professional to reconfigure as required to address the needs of a diverse workforce. For more information on how you can incorporate the Slip Simulator into your training plan, contact Industrial Biodynamics.